Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate inventory across multiple locations. So, as you know, you can add your stores, your multiple stores on Bumper and track everything that is happening in each store. Now, one of the things that you can do with the multi-location feature on Bumper is that you can duplicate inventory from one store to another. Now, duplicating inventory here basically means copying a particular product and its details across different locations or across one store. And it's quite different from moving inventory, which I will break down in the next video. So, first of all, to switch between locations, you come here and under location here, you can see all your locations. And if you click on any one, you would see the details of that. To switch, you just come here to the top of your screen here, and then you can see a drop down of your locations, and you just pick the one that you want to switch to. So let's say, for example, we want to duplicate a product that is in Sali, Lagos, and we want to duplicate it in Abuja. So let's go to products, and let's say we want to duplicate this product, Kemi hand cream. So Kemi hand cream is 14 in stock, but when we come to Sali, Abuja, let's just quickly take a look at that. We don't have Kemi hand cream here, so we want to duplicate Kemi hand cream from Sali, Lagos. Now back to Sali, Lagos, where the product actually exists. So to duplicate this product, you come here to location, and then you go to Sally Lagos and you click on duplicate inventory. Once you click on duplicate inventory, you can either search the product name or you can just scroll down through your product list and then pick the product. Now note that you can duplicate multiple products, but let's just duplicate this one, for example. So you click on it and then you select duplicate selected products. Now, if you click on this, you're duplicating all your products to another store. But because we're not duplicating everything, we want to duplicate only selected products, we click on this button instead. Now, next is to select the location. We select Sali, Abuja, which is where we want to duplicate to. If you have multiple stores or more than two stores rather, you would see a drop down list of all your stores and then you can pick the one you want to duplicate to. So you click on continue, and then here is where you now impute the number that you want to duplicate, the number of items, or rather the number of items you want to have in the other store. So let's say we want to duplicate 10. Sorry, 10. So once you click on continue, you confirm duplication, and you see this process. And then you see this pop up here that tells you that your inventory transfer has been initiated and you will be notified, which you probably just saw on the screen right here, that it has been completed. So now, like I said, duplication does not reduce the quantity of products in the store that you're duplicating from. So let's go back and we will still see that our Kemi hand cream maintains the same stock quantity because we're duplicating, not moving. Now let's go to Abuja so that we can see if our product has moved here. And as you can see, now we have Kemi hand cream here and we have 10 pieces. So that's how duplication works. Just to run it back again, I will show us again very quickly how to do it. Okay, so let's go back to Sally Lagos, and this time around we want to duplicate an item with multiple variations. So we come here and we come back to our store. Under location, we select Sally Lagos and then we click on duplicate inventory. So now we want to duplicate this shirt. Now, as you can see, once you click on the main box, you can see a drop down of all your variations. So now you get to select what variations you want to duplicate. You don't have to duplicate all. So as you can see, you can select the variation you want to duplicate. Then next is, let's also add this, which is also another product with multiple variations. And then you can select the one that you want to duplicate, or rather in this case, unselect the ones you do not want to duplicate to your other store. So once you're done, you click on duplicate selected items. And as usual, you select the location and then you click on continue. So now you can see the list of all the variations that you have selected, and now you can add the quantity you want for each one. Note that the quantity that you want to duplicate cannot be more than what is in your stock. So let's say, for example, you can't duplicate 20 because you only have 15 here, but you can duplicate 14. Same here, you can duplicate, say, 25 because you only have 20 in stock. So let's say we want to duplicate 10 here. And then once you're done, you click on continue, and then you see this pop up again. And once you click yes, the duplication process will start and your inventory will be duplicated. So now again, let's go back to Sally Abuja and take a look at our products to see if it has been duplicated. And here we have it. So you can see this, and you can see that we have 25 in stock because we have multiple variations. So you can see the variations. So you can see the variations that have been duplicated, and you can see all the details. Everything has been copied. And that's it for, duplicating inventory. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. All you need to do is come to the store you want to duplicate the inventory from, click on this button, and then you're well on your way. In the next video, I'm going to be breaking down how to move inventory. I'll see you in the next video.